Join me as I take this clearance rack wooden heart and completely transform it into something amazing. I'm super excited to share this project with you, and it's a perfect example of how a little creativity and some TLC can turn a discarded item into a beautiful piece of home decor. I've got a vision for this wooden heart, and I'm super excited to show you. This wooden heart was hiding on the clearance rack at Hobby Lobby, waiting for a second chance. At first glance, it's pretty boring. It's just all black, really nothing perfect about it. But I see potential. The shape is cute, it's made of wood, which means it's got a good foundation. Oh, and the price was super cheap too. One of the things that I want to do with this piece is make it pop. I have this adorable piece of fabric that I plan to incorporate. Look how adorable it looks already. I'm using very little material here, and I'm just going to use some Mod Podge to glue this piece of fabric right to the center of the heart. To give it even more of a pop, I'm going to use this ribbon that is a line of pearls and hot glue it all around the inside of that heart. Not only does this make it pop more and look more elegant, it cleans the edges of the heart and makes it look nice visually. Once the pearl ribbon is in place, I'm going to add even another pop by using silver rub and buff. I'll go around the edges of the heart and the raised areas. This transformation is amazing. It went from a basic clearance rack find to a beautiful piece of home decor that I'd be proud to display. The new design is not only visually appealing, but also tells a story of creativity. So, if you're feeling inspired, I'd love for you to try a similar project. Clearance racks are full of hidden gems just waiting for a makeover. Don't be afraid to get creative and show off your personal style. We all know that clearance finds can be a treasure trove of possibilities, so I'd love to hear from you. What are some of your favorite clearance finds, and what would you like to see me transform next? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.